that one teacher there. Oh, you go loud, oh! I swear, na maths teacher, they fine.
I swear.
I just demand that maths teacher. Make you come club any day.
I don't like it, this. Hey, you come here. Come, go, go, go. Did you see us?
I'm sorry, my seniors. I didn't see you guys. My mind was somewhere else. I'm so sorry.
Oh my God.
You're too small now.
You dey crazy? You dey mad? Imagine! I'm talking about the insult you just laid. You dey add more. Are you stupid? Oh! We are too small, Abi. No, we are too small.
No, my seniors, I never said so. I swear to God, I not talk am.
Anyways, I'm in a good mood today, so your punishment is very simple. Just go to the school canteen, get us meat pie and cold drinks. 2 meat pie. Rush!
But where am I going to get the money to get the stuff for you girls? I mean, I don't have any money with me.
Are you a fool? Hmm? Do your parents pay your school fees for nothing? My friend, will you get out and go and get us the meat pie before the break is over?
Hurry, come on!
Okay. Get out! Start going!
No worry, now we should not buy that meat pie home. She go collect. She go just collect.
I have a feeling that this girl's not going to come back. Are you serious?
She dares not. If she does not come back, what I will do to her, she will never believe it.
Well, she not fit try am now. She not fit. I mean, who does that?
If she tries it, I will skim her life. No jokes. I will use her as a lesson to the rest of the students.
Hey, let she try am first.
She's not yet back. She's not yet back. Come! Stop there! Are you mad? You dey crazy? You kept us waiting. Are you okay?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
I'm sorry you go chop. Eh?
Where's the meat pie? Where's the drink?
But I'm sorry, you didn't give me any money to get the meat pie and drink for you girls now. Yeah, where do you expect me to get money for it?
Oh my God.
Are you mad?
Are you mad? Like less privilege, oh.
Hey!
Are you trying to insult us? Are we poor or something?
You know what? You are going to pay for the time you've wasted. Do you hear me? You're going to pay for the time you wasted. And if you don't pay, we are going to deal with you here.
Yes!
Anyways, I have no money with me, so I can't pay for the time. Yes.
She's actually insulting us. She has guts.
Are we hungry? Are we hungry? You collect a bit, you know? I'm mad. Ah!
Oh my God. You slapped your senior. Are you okay?
I'm going to skim her life. I'm going to skim her life.
It's okay, it's okay. Leave her. Leave her.
Leave me alone.
Era, stop now. It's okay. I said it's okay. Leave her. Calm down. Hey, go back to the house. Calm down.
I said I'm going to skin her life.
It's okay. Calm down, eh? Jane, stand up. Go to your class. Jane! Jane, I stand up. Go to your class. Jane! 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 She's not breathing. Jane! Jesus! She's not breathing. What are we going to do? Oh, and I told you to calm down now. Calm down. You were not hearing. Now you've killed her.
Jane.
Hey, God.
Jane. Jane.
You see what you've caused now. You see. Calm down. You will not hear your blood to the out all the time. Eh?
What are we going to do now?
Hey. My education. You know what?
She's dead.
She's dead now. You're asking me. She's dead. She's dead, of course.
What are we going to do?
You know what? Let's just go to the principal's office and report this, please. Let's just go and report this.
Principal's office?
Yes.
We're going to go to jail. You want us to go to jail?
I know I don't want to go to jail, but
That's what you have to do! What is here? Do you want to go to jail? They're going to kill us. I don't want to go to jail now. What will happen to my school now? What will happen to my education? You think I'm the only one that is going to go to jail? Because I killed her? You were part of this and we are in this together. Do you understand? I begged you. I told you to stop hitting her, but you continued. Oh, really? I see what you're trying to do. What? I'm just saying we should go and report this to the school authority. That's all I'm saying. She wants me to go to jail. Let's go and report to the school authority. You're writing with you. Yes, let's go. That's the only thing to do. Let's go. Let's go. Man, she's dead.
Okay. Can anybody explain or define what government is? You. Hello. Hello. I don't understand. Doing makeup in the class, and I'm even talking to you. You are putting on lipstick. Give me that makeup.
give me that lipstick. What are you?
I beg, give me that makeup. My friend, go and sit down. Copper, it be like say something they do you for head. You don't know why. Go and sit down.
What is this?
I beg, give me that makeup.
See, forget this way you wear.
See this one. When I do that, sit down. No, you can have my lip gloss. When I give me. Go and sit down.
I don't beat you.
You go and
take no sense.
I'm not giving.
When I take no sense,
You
give me
don't
that
go and
thing.
sit down, my friend. You don't give me my lip gloss. Yes.
I don't press you.
Go back to your bum bum.
man.
Go back to your
I don't
press
you play.
your bum bum. Go back to your seat, my friend. Ask class, oh. Class, tell them, oh. Tell them, oh. I know they look fresh for this school, oh. You don't ask questions. Now this your bum bum, I go scatter for you. Look at this thing.
Come over here to this cool, beautiful horizon. Throw me your questions.
It's your animal no husband. They look at you.
I think, by me looking at this beautiful question, I can see that you are a black, beautiful Nikki.
Shut up, everybody! What is wrong with all of you?
I'm lost.
Is this what you have to do in classes? You rubbing lipstick and you admire your teacher. Are you okay? When you keep quiet, my friend, don't go admire you. When your bum will full everywhere. Can anybody define government for me right now? Good. Hello.
A government is a political system by which a country or a community is regulated.
Thank you.
Exactly. I'm in the system. Copper, I'm already in the system. You can just call
If
me
I get
Stancy.
one more word from you, I will send you out of this class.
I think I'm in love.
Shut up, I said! Now come by you, Bill. After 1 year, you don't come out. Don't see my lip gloss. I don't say no fee buy your yeah. Just get your books.
Shut up there.
Shut up, everybody! If I slap you, you don't go get yourself. Onyawa. Okay. Just get your notebook. Just I'm gonna just for you now.
Just call me anything you like. Just call me anything you like.
Afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Copper.
Afternoon, beautiful one. Please come.
Good afternoon.
Yes. How are you doing today? I hope you're good.
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Good. So, what's your name and what's your class?
My name is Promise 14. I'm in JS 3.
Wow, Promise. What a beautiful name for a damsel like you. I mean, I like your name.
Thank you.
Yeah, promise. Okay, promise, I'm hungry. Can you please help me get something at the canteen? Maybe Fanta and meat pie. You can as well buy the same thing for yourself.
Ah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So get something for yourself, okay?
Thank you. Thank you
You're
very
welcome.
much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
It's good.
Hello. Hey, Copper. Confidence, right? Yeah, confidence.
Why are you calling me? Are you here to insult me again?
No. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that. I'm not here to insult you.
What is it?
All right. Copper confidence. My name is Stanley, but they call me Stanzi, baby. You know, right now, Stanzi is in love. I'm in love. I love you. Confidence. You know, when you walk into the classroom and I saw you, I said to myself, I'm done searching. I'm done being single because you are my baby. You are my love.
Will you shut up your mouth? Who is your baby? Are you okay? Are you insane? Yeah. Do you realize who you're talking to? Yeah. I'm your teacher.
I know.
So what will I possibly be doing with a small boy like you?
Hold on. Just hold on. Break it, just match on there, you understand? See, I'm not a small boy, I'm Stanzi, baby. I can take care of you. Love doesn't even differentiate between the old and the young. We can do this, you know, we can.
Can you just keep quiet? I don't want to hear one more words from you. Okay. Look at this one that is still saying, Mama, thank you at home. Do you even understand that I am older than you?
I know. It doesn't matter.
Shut up! I'm talking.
Okay.
What kind of a stupid love is that? See, the next time you try this nonsense with me, I would make sure I report you to the principal. Okay? Do you get that? Have it stored in your head. I am your teacher. Alright?
Alright.
Good. Rubbish. Idiot.
Call for confidence. I know you are so good in mathematics. They say age is what? It's just a number. And as for the next time, that's gonna be my best time. Stanzi, baby. Stanzi, baby. I'm still gonna maintain my steez, man. My bakeleke count. Confidence with big. Oh, damn shit. You're gonna be my girlfriend soon.
What is wrong with me? Why will I be in love with the principal's son? Huh? He's a student and I'm a copper. But does profession really matter? Does age matter? What is wrong? But I'm in love with him. What should I do? What should I do? Yes. I know what to do.
Yeah. What up? Come to Zaddy. Come to Zaddy, baby. You know I love you. You understand?
Please stop this thing, Shadi. It's not nice. It's not funny.
Oh, stop it there. Bring it down. Bring it down there. You don't call me senior, and you don't even call me Stanley. No, you call me what? Stanzi. You know what? And when you call me Stanzi, I call you my promzi. You understand the Z, the conjunctions, and the Z alphabet, man. What's up? We actually match, no? You my match, you understand? My boo.
Sounds
You my
nice.
boo, baby. What's up?
Sounds nice.
Yeah.
But like, look, let me tell you.
You wanna tell me you love me?
The next time that you try to stop me for this,
Huh?
I will report you to the principal for assault.
What the heck? You don't even know me. I'm just trying to give you a push, man. I'm trying to help you, nigga. I can't even date you. Look at you. You don't know me. I got swag. I got class. Stanley, the only American citizen schooling in Nigeria. And I'm an Igbo man. Pure Igbo boy from Abakaliki. The only American citizen schooling in Niger. In Niger. Shit. Let me try other girls. Other girls, man.
Mommy, I am so happy, I am so excited that gradually our school is now becoming one of the biggest and the best in the entire state.
My dear, I have put in so much hard work in this school for you not to be successful.
Mommy, that's very true. But don't forget what you always tell me. Regardless of your hard work, without the grace of God, this school will still not be successful. You taught me this.
You're right, my dear. That's why I want you to study hard. Be brave. So that when I get older, you'll be able to handle the school.
Did you say when you get older?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, you're not getting any older. You will never get weak and pale and tired. Mommy, in the next 1 million years, you will still be this young, good-looking, vibrant, and agile. That's my mommy.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Amen. Oh. Amen.
That's the truth. Mommy, that was the bell. I think I have to go back to class.
Okay, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember, study hard. And then, be good.
Mommy,
all
you
right?
have to be good, mommy.
I'm proud of you, son. Okay?
Thank you, mommy.
That is the problem I'm telling you. You don't understand me. See, I don't just like that copper for anything. I can't stand her presence, please.
Same here. She's always full of herself. I feel like devouring her whenever I set my eyes on her. She's here to teach. She should understand that and stop looking for who worship her.
I thought you were in support of her. Huh? Oh.
Yeah. Keep the talk rolling. Keep the gossip rolling. Keep the gossip rolling. Okay?
It's cool. Yeah. Leave him.
So, that's...
I got some videos, man. I got some secrets. Secret inside my phone.
Stay.
Hey. What's up with you?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh, Stanley, how are you? I'm cool. What's up?
Stanley, I can't be fine without you.
Hey, I still maintain my steez. Stanley, not Stanley.
Stanley.
Yeah.
See, I love you. I just want to be with you. Yes.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You love me.
Yeah.
You wanna be with me.
Yes.
Huh?
Look at me. Am I not attractive? Am I not a girl? See, we can make this work.
Oh, listen up. I am not a teacher in the school. I got nothing to do with literature. So I don't understand why you're here reading some poems for Stanley, baby. And if you are serious with that poems, I got an answer for you. We ain't gonna make anything work. Work. We not gonna make it work. And it not gonna even work. You got it? Now get your ass out of here. Get your tiny ass out of here, please.
Stanley,
What?
we can make it work. I want you. Try to understand.
please.
Okay, all right, okay. I got you right now. You want it to work?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You want it to work? Oh, I see. I'm walking away from a girl like you. I'm walking away from the kind of girl like you. I'm walking away. It's not gonna work. Stop. Get that. I'm walking away, nigga.
It's so difficult. Thank you.
Oh, you're back already?
Yes.
Nice. Thank you.
Your change.
Oh, come on. You can keep the balance. You know, a pretty damsel like you deserve to be taken care of.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Listen, I would like to take care of you if I'm given the opportunity. I would like to buy you lunch every day, and I also want to give you some money so you can take care of yourself. I mean, for your upkeep.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
But listen, come. I mean, I'm doing all that because I like you. You're a girl that every man in his right senses would fall head over heels in love with. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so how about we see after school when everybody must have gone?
No problem.
Huh? You promise you make it up to me?
Yes.
So we'll meet her behind the lab, the biology lab.
Okay.
Are you sure you're gonna come?
Yes, no problem.
I'll be waiting for you.
Okay.
Now you can run along. And please, do not tell anybody that I bought food for you.
No.
Or gave you money.
Okay.
It has to be between you and I.
No problem.
Right?
Thank you.
All right, take care. Bye.
It's time to play my card. It's time to give love a chance, man. I love it big, and I can't take my eyes off that. My beautiful lady, the most beautiful angel in this universe. Here's a beautiful gift from me to you. I know you will love it. I love you so much. Please don't say no to me. I can't even concentrate. I can't even think. You're everything in my head. I thank the God Almighty for creating a beautiful angel like you and blessing you with a natural Kilimanjaro behind you. We call it ass over here. My baby, this love is a beautiful thing. And I can't wait. I can't wait to start this beautiful, amazing journey of love with you, Copper Confidence. Instancy will cease. The only student, American citizen in the school. I know you can't say no to me. You know I love you. Please accept my gift. I know you will love it. Perfect gentleman. Oh, you love the fragrance? Oh my God. Oh, Jimmy. You are insane. Oh my God. You are it's sense of you. Rubbish. You don't know your mates. You don't. Love has no mates. Shut up! Oh, sorry. Sorry. Nonsense. Can you imagine? I just love you. Love, oh, they say love is pain. They say love is beautiful. You know, I'll take this as a sign of love. Love is wicked. Love is wicked. I still gotta maintain my teeth. Stanzi, baby. I'll try another girl. Love is wicked, nigga. You're beating me up because I love you.
He got me angry.
I better leave that one. Hunger now. You know they're hungry.
That's what you did.
We'll make we find what we just go buy us something. Ciao.
What the priest
come on.
Oh, this woman, eh? Her grace, eh?
Every day we just talk someone.
Oh, we got dodge now.
Who go see now where we go see send now? Now on the day, man.
Wait. Come, Junior, come.
Show.
I beg, run. If senior call you, you run. They mad. Good afternoon, my son.
Good afternoon.
Come here. Where they run, they go.
Fine girl. I beg you, bring this thing where you hold. Now you come. Now today on. Now today on.
You sure? You can smell them. Now today on. We go to chop them. You see this thing where you buy like this? You go that school canteen. You go buy 2 for me and my friend.
Wait. You see why I want to give you this thing now. If not, I could just give her. Make sure start the chopper.
You say you won't give her?
Make sure go buy her. I know you. I don't mark your face. You know if you run for this thing. You know me. You know the way they behave. Don't try me. Take. Come. Not too happy. First, run. Go buy this thing.
This
one meat
now.
pie. 1 Coke.
Just
the way you buy them now. Buy them for like me this? And my friend.
But the money is not complete now.
Who they follow you? They laugh.
Coke is 400, meat pie is 200. See what and why as you find like this. You know go fit even add some money for your seniors.
You know, no say that waiting you do your senior, they go do you tomorrow when you become senior. No be so.
That's what they do us now.
They do like this now.
Haba.
Fine girl.
I don't bring money to school.
Hey, come wait first. Now because they even they small, they follow you, they talk. You get come on, smell out. Go buy what you say, you go buy.
Come they go.
Before this thing dry, you don't come back here.
I tell you.
They hear me. Come and run.
Don't shake your bum oh. Hold your bum.
You say me you run, you dey walk.
They run oh.
See this thing, if this saliva dry before you come, you go see what I go do you.
Nah, Melissa, if for weeks, now make we chop that one, the whole body now.
No.
They say hunger day.
She buy that. She go buy and come. No worry. All these small children where their papa get money, she get money.
Hey, you see as her body they do like.
She go buy am.
Burger.
She go buy am. No worry.
Oh my, for you
make this saliva no dry.
Make I just they do match pass. They wait.
Good day, ma. Ma, please, how much is this? How much is for the course? Okay, give me 100 naira. 100 naira.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Wait, how can you be fine? You're shedding tears and you're telling me you're fine.
It's DSP.
What did they do?
They gave me 200 naira. They asked me to buy 2 meat pie and 2 soft drinks, and I don't have money to complete it. Please, can you give me 1,000 naira so I can complete it for them? Are you okay?
Yes. We are the DPS or whatever you call them.
Yeah.
You know what? Take me to them. Let's go.
Thank you.
Guy, have fun now. What's up with you and Bianca?
Fine, we are cool.
What do you mean fine, we are cool? I know you guys are cool now.
So why are you asking?
If you don't know why I'm asking, then why are you smiling?
I am smiling because I know you to be a fool. Yes, because only you, Joel, will have the mindset to ask me such stupid question. I mean, yes, Bianca is our classmate. Yes, she's very intelligent. But you should know that she's also an underage girl.
I believe that matter, guy. Forget that thing now.
Huh?
Forget that thing. You know, see, I like this girl. You know I like her. I get interested in how you tell me. I forget underage matter, guy.
Can you hear how stupid and foolish you sound? I mean, which man in his right frame of mind would think of such on a very innocent young girl? Let me tell you something, Najua. If you make a very stupid move towards that girl, I will personally report you to my mother. And I will make sure that you are being expelled from this school. On top of that, taken to the police station, and you will face the full wrath of the law.
Let me ask you a question. If you pursue dog for shit, now you will eat the shit. Guy, leave that matter. Don't I don't get already safe. Not even.
Hey! What is this one saying? Make you go buy?
With which money? Half for complete money you gave her. And wait! How dare the both of you ask her to use her money to buy you to lunch? Do you know if she has the complete money?
You dey mad?
It be like say you won't make I match you, they crazy. Something they do you for
Wait.
Look at this.
You dey mad?
Look at this cockroach, oh. Make I bounce your face. You dey crazy.
Are you okay? No, you in particular. You know then when seniors they send us, when you go buy something, even though say we not get money, you know they. I don't blame you. You know what? If I not repeat class, man, you not go to see. Come they exchange.
Melissa, you know wetin dey bust my brain. Now because say we dey repeat class, this little witchy thing say she go come dey insult us. He dey mad. You know how many years we don't get this school? You want make we change am for you? No, you want make I bust your face?
If you said a joke.
E be like say you want make I use this my bag enter scatter this your face.
So all this time wey we send you make you go buy something come, you go call her. No, you go call your guy.
Melissa, I beat you. You know wetin dey vex me now, You know wetin dey vex me? This stupid witchy come here. Come dey feel wetin you dey feel like now? No, wetin? No, you dey think who call you for this thing? Your busybody don dey too much.
I tell you, because I go just throw away you. You don't say it's too small.
No, leave her.
Because they follow you, they laugh.
No, leave her, Melissa. This girl, see now, make I tell you, See, nobody call you for this place. Your busybody for this school done too much. If you not respect yourself, I go enter you.
Yeah,
you hear me?
This doesn't concern me at all.
It's none of your business. You know,
none of my business.
You know concern. You keep your mouth shut.
Are you done?
You dey ask
you
me
say waiting.
If I'm done.
No, waiting you talk now.
Are you done?
Wetin they give you the guts to they talk to people anyhow? You see you, ba?
If only you know what this act of yours has cost, you won't be practicing it on other junior students.
You're very stupid. Take waka.
This
you're mad. Come on for here.
Come out here. See this smoke.
Wait,
No,
leave am. It be like say you won't make you pinch this your mouth. You
see this smoke girl.
Oh, you pass for here. Come on for. Come on for here.
Wait.
Come on for here now.
Come back here.
Look at this thing, though.
For here. Pick that money.
Why would she pick it?
Come on, pick that money.
Try it.
Look at this.
She's giving you back the money, right? What else do you want? Nothing. Let's
pick this
Melissa. Come here.
Touch me.
Oh, yeah, they're wrong.
Touch me.
Come on for here.
Leave
See, Melissa, I go keep person for this school,
please.
oh. I go keep person.
You know, say Papa get money.
Leave her for this school, oh.
Leave her.
I go make I keep person. Make I keep this girl, oh. I go enter you, oh.
You get me throw this money for ground. No one.
No, waiting the play for you. Wait.
Listen, it is no news that you have an image of an unbridled libertine, but I do strongly advise that you cease from this. Otherwise, you face the consequences very soon.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way, okay? I'm sorry. It was just a joke. Huh?
You better be.
Nice one. It's a beautiful one, my copper. I got you. I got you. I got you.
Come on, girl. You need to put yourself together and stop all this.
Nora, I love him. I love him so much. I just want to be with him. Just that he's not seeing me. He's busy looking at that stupid copper.
Omo, this life no balance at all. You are here busy, loving and crying over someone. Why same person is busy, loving and killing himself for another girl? Come on, girl. You need to stop all this. So. You don't have to keep crying for a man who doesn't deserve you.
You can say all you want. Why are you like this? Huh?
How am I?
Are you not my friend?
I'm your friend, of course.
Instead of you to fight for my happiness and you are here saying rubbish.
Really? It's obvious you've lost it. So I should go and help you and talk to a man, eh?
Nora, but I want him.
You must be insane. I beg, stop all this, so girl. I don't understand.
But I love him.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I bought you some snacks and soft drink.
Oh, that's very kind of you, but no.
Come on now. I specially bought this for you. I know you haven't had lunch. Please take it. Please. Come on.
Well, if you insist. Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate it.
So, what are you doing?
As you can see, I'm studying.
Oh, that's good.
Anything else?
No, it's okay. Take your time. See you at the class later.
Okay.
Bye.
It's just too bad. Just as I was saying, this is Miss Lee, and the botanical name is Ereptical.
Oh, okay,
Ecoasis.
yeah. You said it before.
Yes.
Are you sure what you're having there is maize leaf?
Come. What be your own? No, who call you come here now? You don't fit stay one place. That's why they poke nose, they walk and they find where they find you. You don't get shame. Rest in Jesus' name. It's too much. Haba. Others they inside you, that's why you just they walk and they find where they find you.
Baby, take it easy. Don't talk too much. I don't want any.
I beg, leave that thing. You dey try explain to this small girl.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You should be asking yourself that question. And you, the last time I checked, you are not an agricultural teacher. You're a mathematics teacher. I won't be surprised if you don't know the name of this leaf.
Listen.
I don't understand. I beg, don't dey try from my hands. You want to explain yourself to this small rats. No. See this cockroach. You want to explain yourself. No, not from my hand. No try more. Move now. You don't catch us. What will happen? What will happen? Come on, move from here.
Enjoy.
Move. Come on, move.
Why so little?
Something that gets a hand. So, you get the right hand, you'll conk me. But if you don't, the reverse is going to be the case. I will conk you.
Okay. This.
Sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Very sure?
Oh. You see? I told you. Now bring your head.
Kai!
It's nice, Abby.
Nice what? These your tiny fingers are painful.
I know. You want another one?
No, game over. So, I was even meaning to ask you, why don't you have any friend? And since our just one to this present class, you don't have any friend. Why?
Well, friends. You're the only one that I have seen that is worth being close to.
Okay, that's a good compliment, but I can't be the only one. No, I am very sure there are other students, even the junior students.
I know.
So, at least you should have one female friend.
Girls. Yes. I don't want to be friends with girls because they cause a lot of troubles. My last encounter landed me here.
What do you mean landed you here?
You know what? When the time comes, you understand. So let's continue the game. You're done, right?
You know, my mom has put in so much hard work and effort in this school.
No be your boyfriend and Bianca sit down there they talk.
What if?
So you go there inside water, soap go enter your eye. She go collect this guy from you.
That one no fit happen now. Now which kind of thing wey you talk like this? You won't make person die now.
Which one be that one no fit happen? In front of you now, you think you are not. Leave that thing, I beg. You go confront them.
Wake up and find that she's not.
Now here you sit down. Mrs. they find you. They find you everywhere for school.
Oh,
yes.
You can't sit down here with this small pikin.
Oh, you just want to interrupt our conversation.
What do they want this one?
What do you talk?
You want me to excuse you now?
No. It be like say you won't make I leave my 2 hands for your face.
No.
No, you dey mad, Abi. You see this girl there? Avoid me, oh. Just give me my way, oh. I go press you. I go press you, I go deal with you.
Who is Mrs.?
Your mama now, no be Mrs. Your mama they find you, you can't sit down for here. I don't know what you do with this small pikin. Why do you like embarrass yourself? Eh? You don't even get shame. Say small pikin where you and can't sit down. Ha!
Are you sure my mom is looking for me?
I saw your mama. Not be me and you follow. Your mama they look for you. We call tell her say, no worry, we will help you. Go look for her. Now you there here. Your mama they find you. Go your mama office. You go see her.
At least I see what they make me the best. So they try say I dey lie, Abi. In front of this small pikin. Now wait till they bring that kind leg. I know they like this kind of thing, no. Now you they make this small pikin they insult me. I say your mama they find you say whether not true. No, I dey lie.
Your girlfriend gonna tell you something they doubt her. You know make sense.
Okay, I've heard you. Bianca.
Yeah?
I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Bye. See you in class.
You.
Yeah.
Bye.
And wait. You say Bianca. See you in class. You don't see Melissa.
We not there here. Abi will be spirit.
No, you don't see us.
No, we'll be air. You don't see us. Oh, wow.
You know what? Just go and meet your mom.
Alright. You good, yeah?
Okay. You too.
Are you up?
Oh, voila.
Come here. You see you this small pikin. See, make I warn you. You try avoid me for this.
Leave her. Wait. I will kill you. Jesse, leave this.
Now make this girl do like this.
This girl won't be like say he be sickle self. Leave her more.
Now make this girl drop for head. She know they fear my face. Now me, see, Melissa, I go kill this girl for this school. I said I go give her motor.
I don't want.
See, I know they like this kind of thing now.
Who they go? If they leave you, go to that smoke. You don't get shit. Okay, who they go?
I don't like that. I don't tell me that.
Okay, they go.
Oh yeah. So there are other people they class soon and they hear they walk out. Oh you gari we. Abi? Raise your hand. I said raise your hand. Now me you do like that. You see today, I go show you something.
Oh, yeah, carry this thing. Carry am. If this thing fall for your hand today, don't say your own don't finish on this school. You didn't hear what they talk. Oh yeah, carry this one. I say if you bend down your hand there, not for your, what you go here for your bum now? Toy. You didn't hear me? Come here. What I say come. You know, come here. You the mad.
Are you talking to me?
Come here. Look at this window. See, I don't even know what thing they do you. Like, what thing they give you morale for this school. I say, come here, they work out small. Even I say something they do it for your head.
I will only answer you.
I'll beat you people. Stupid thing. You cannot carry small thing and you're walking up and down. Come here. No, you don't get respect again. I don't know what thing they give you morale for this school because they walk up and down. When you get anywhere, you don't get work at me. And you carry this thing down. I say come here.
I will only answer you because of that useless post that they give you in this school.
So all this respect, why they respect you? Why they give you? Because say me and you they're the same class. You think say me and you not the same mates? Abi? You know the fear face, Abi? See, not be because say they repeat class. You can't come my school, me and you can't get the same class. You think say me and you not the same mates. See, I know they take rubbish, oh. I know they take rubbish. I get here, they punish these small children when they here. You, this small picking, you just walk out and say that you get this school. When you get anywhere, Abi?
You don't have anything to say. Allow me to go back to the class. You that is punishing all these junior students. What were you even doing outside that you saw the junior students outside? Or are you now above the school authority?
Hey. See, they put me what I want you. No, see this small picking, I mean they talk like this. Kneel down. Before I count 3, I said kneel down. 1,
I
2.
just kneel down. Do you know why? Because we are in the same class.
Meaning?
I am more intelligent than you. Don't you have respect for me? You should have respect for me.
You're more intelligent than me, Abi. See this girl, Yeah, because of that, this girl do me like this. Now, if they do shaking, see, if I see both of you outside the game, before I open my eyes, make it come for here. 1, 2, Yala, stupid thing. Let me get all of you in this cup. I'm going to design your face today. Come on, sand you cannot carry. See you, this girl, come here. Come here.
Good morning, Mr. Tolo.
Good morning, my beautiful angel. How are you doing today?
Sir, you know I am young. You need to stop calling me beautiful angel. My name is Bianca.
Well, what difference does it make? Are you not beautiful?
Yes, I am.
Exactly. And that is why you are an angel. Not just an angel, but my own angel. You know, you're extremely beautiful that every guy in this school would want to have. In fact, any guy in his right senses would like to have in this school. I like you. I want you to know that I like you. And listen, I'm willing to help you get to the university when you're done here.
I can't graduate from this school. I have been in this school for 11 years. I won't graduate. And it's still counting.
Wait, is that a joke or something? What do you mean you have been in this school for 11 years and you cannot graduate? What do you mean?
I thought it was only students that don't get conversations. I never knew teachers do too. Well, I was just joking.
Come on, what are you trying to say? Listen, teachers are humans too. I'm serious about what I told you recently. I truly do love you.
I just came out from the proprietor's office. I had a fight with the DSP. I wouldn't want the proprietor or any teacher to come and see us here.
That's all right. I have 10 a.m. lecture with your class today, so I'll see you when I come around. That's fine. Come on, put smiles on your face. Small pink chump.
Hey! That girl get mind though. Sit down, they chill with your boyfriend, they touch body, they laugh. Small rats. Okay. Eh?
You still get men come fight you where junior students, the way you punish them. She still might come they fight you. What is school do? They just flog them, leave them. Instead of them to expect that girl, just push her come up for school. They just leave her. You're not good now.
You know the one way even make me they confused. Eh? That girl opened that her mouth. They tell me in front of those small children. Look at this one. They like say never chop for 2 days. They tell me in front of small pikin. They say I know sabi book. Say she no book pass me. Can you imagine that small rat? But I give her if you see the kind for her leg, why I give her he pain her.
She get.
You see that girl? She never know me for this school.
She get luck.
Me see give am. I come the pity for her.
How you dey mad? How you want pity person who want snatch your crush from you? You don't get sense. Now there you go tell he just a pity. From there they can't know the flow you they talk again. You can't see they use your sense 247. Haba, you see that girl for this school? If I see her wear my Kopatolu day, I go design her face. Make sure they do that thing where you dey. Make sure no carry her.
See Melissa, this thing where they talk, they make me the best. Because that girl no go feel try collect my baby move from me. You know they possible. I just keep am quiet. Say she they do all those things she they do.
Thank God say you smart.
Just
wait for this girl. We go really show and pepper. Unless you know, we go show and pepper. So if she see us, they come. She go dodge.
No be lie. That's so you go be. At least today, I buy her me a TV on nene. I just put small TV for her. Make she watch them. Next time.
You for beat and well. You just that I just they pity the game.
Baby, you're so sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you can just keep this for your upkeep.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my beautiful angel. And don't forget, nobody should know about this.
No.
Keep it between you and I, okay?
I won't tell anybody.
That's my girl. You know you're a very smart girl. And that's one thing that I like about you. Come give me some sugar.
Hey, you need to see the way she just humble fast. You need to see how she come cold like ice block. I don't know say that girl they humble This one humble her.
You see the way she they do. They misbehave for canteen that day. For her mind, she feel say she don't get your kele. Do you understand? I just look the girl. She just parade herself like a dogma.
No, look that girl. No, just look that girl. She fit collect my kele for me.
Okay, no.
She fit try and baby mu. Make I show her pepper. She don't know me.
It piss me off. The way she carry herself, it mad me. You know, she just they talk with your kele. They do that day for back.
Did you flog me?
They mad. Which one is it? Did you flog me? I get it.
Melissa. Person they flog me.
Who flog me?
Person they mad. Hey, Melissa, stop this thing, Melissa, hey, who they flog me? Who they flog me? In my tea, like anyone can now. If you got side jazz, working like side jazz, one now. My breakfast and dinner now. Kelly baby, the only man that makes my body do me. My baby now. You just you do as if you know they hear me. I know say you they hear me all this thing while they call you. You just smile like that. Why they do like this now?
just you called me.
But you're my baby now. It just it was him now in front of Uchechi. Anyway, baby, I want you to give me that your storybook. That's novel, that one where you they read. Where if I read, I'm the only thing I sabi read for this world. If I read, my brain they do me thing. I beg give me,
Which novel is that? I have lots of them.
That's one where they draw
The one where
woman, man, children. They draw something for you for the body.
black cover.
You get black. That one where they read all the time. Why they read? The only thing I sabi read now.
All right. Bro, just call FBI. Just call FBI.
Hello, class. Please, did anyone take anything from my?
Search everybody now. Search. Make you say you don't see the novel again. Make we search everybody.
This is where to like say she don't exist. Make we search your lot. Open her.
You trust her, so we should not search her.
I'm an American citizen. You don't come closer to me.
Which one you
Get
do?
out.
Search your bag. You see this one now?
I'm an American citizen. It can't be there.
I don't know. You say you know they here. You see how?
Oh, so you
you
know
You say you know they here. You see how? Nothing. See. Now all those people when they steal, and then they do holy wedge. Holy wedge. And you say you know effect to one get. Now you the thief. Onyoshi come. You see how?
Suma Pepe, so you be thief. You say what? You say not beautiful. No, now you thief am. No be me. Now you thief am. Who thief am? Now Bianca thief am.
Baby, whose luck can you see am?
Wow.
Baby, whose luck can you see am? You see?
You see this girl for this class, eh? I go beat you and you talk like
say on the comment.
You say what?
You say what? Oh, back with that shit now.
Kelly!
Bianca, what is it? I was headed for the school canteen to get some snacks for myself.
What if I get it for you? Before you know it, I'll be back.
No, thank you so much. I appreciate your kind gesture, but thank you.
I insist, I can't get it for you while you go back to the class.
Like I said, thank you, but no. I have to leave now.
He doesn't believe I wasn't the one that stole his notes. I just hope he understands me.
Damn. Oh, damn. Oh, it's a nice practical, man. Oh, you guys are acting horror movies. Yeah, I can see. I'm so scared right now.
Shut up! What are you doing here? Eh? Can't you see I'm trying to have a perfect time for myself?
Oh, I see. You're actually having a nice time for yourself. With a box of oxygen loaded with fresh air.
Just excuse me, I'm taking my assignment.
And what's that supposed to mean?
Sorry about that.
Will you get out from this place?
Oh, I'm off. I'm off.
If you don't, I'll give you the punishment of your life.
Okay. Damn, man, this is heartbreaking. Man, look at my Promsy. Look at Tolu. Well, this Tolu is bad, man. This Tolu got some new stars. Oh, damn. Now this girl don't grip. That old woman can just, god damn. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. I'm heartbroken. Oh, what the fuck? Hey, will you just get your ass here? Get your ass here, nigga. Oh my God. What? You asking me what is it? No, you asking me what is it? I should be the one to ask you that. Okay? Promsy, oh my Promsy. What is it? Haven't you done enough? The pains, the torture, and headache, this your one nigga, it's only here. What's wrong with you?
You think because I like you, because you know I like you, you think I can report you to the principal's office? You a liar, baby girl. You are just a liar. Because I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to the principal's office and play this new series, this new wonderful movie to him and tell him, this is what Tolu has been totoloing with Promzi. Tolu has been totoloing with you, nigga, and you were smiling. You're gonna smile to the principal, you know?
What evidence do you have?
Listen up.
I will deny you.
Listen up. Listen up.
I will deny you.
I know you're gonna deny me. But guess what? You ain't gonna deny your pretty face. And your sweet, angelic, erotic voice. Wait, Tolu, come on. Tolu, harder. Tolu. I got him here. Thank you.
Wait.
Hey, principal, we got a new movie.
Wait. Please. Senior Stanley, I mean, please don't report me.
Listen up. You're fucking up. I believe you're fucking up. I believe you know that. You don't just call me Senior Stanley. Okay. I know I'm heartbroken, but I still maintain my steez in all situations. Now correct yourself. Call me Stanzi.
Stanzi.
Call me Stanzi.
Stanzi.
Call me Stanzi.
Stanzi, please don't report me. Please.
It's all right. It's all right. I'm a good guy. Over there in America where my mom and my dad stays, we are good people. But I'm gonna do that on one condition, okay?
Condition.
Thank you. You gotta go in there to Tolu's office. That Tolu where they Tolu you. Tell him to look for Stanzi profile. Get to my class and score me higher, higher than every other student, okay? I'm gonna be overall the best student ever. Now I'm gonna make my parents proud, you know?
I can't do that. I can't.
Why you can't do that? Okay, no problem. Then you're gonna do that in principal's office. Hey, principal!
Wait,
we got a new movie!
Okay, wait.
We got a new movie!
Wait! I've heard you, I'll do it.
Huh. All right then.
Oh yeah, delete the movie, delete the video.
What? I should take it up? I can't. Because I'm heartbroken, I'm bleeding. I love you, and I'm heartbroken. You're gonna give me time, I'm gonna be watching it every day to heal from the heartbreak. Now, come take a look at us. I make sure I zoom in to get your pretty lips kissing Tolu. Can you see? Can you see? Damn, oh shit, oh
you're so disgusting.
Look at the way you're kissing Tolu. And you told me Tolu forced you. Oh man, I'm heartbroken.
You think when they confuse me, I don't tire.
What do they confuse you? Calm down, concentrate, I beg. If you say no, they understand, you go back inside class. I beg.
Are you actually with us? Because I have repeated myself over and over.
Are you shouting at me now? So you don't they shout for me because I don't know this thing. Why they behave like this now?
Jesse, what do they worry?
You now, what do they worry? You don't know say person don't they old. We don't they old. As you see us now, we don't old. These things don't they enter again. Plus say you know say with the smoke and with the now. Wetin dey solve for you? All these things they talk now.
I don't understand them. If you don't understand them, I don't understand them. I beg, lower your voice.
Can I continue?
Continue, I beg.
Continue.
Pay attention now. Haba, continue.
Which kind of thing be this now?
So 2 raised to what? Power what?
Can you just concentrate?
Go meet your copper boyfriend now.
Wait.
Don't be when my own boyfriend they teach me like they go like this. Wait, Melissa begging my
What's this? What the most fire? What the most fire? Jesus. What's that? Jesus! What happened? What did that thing?
Are you okay?
Yes, I am very okay.
You are sure?
Mm-hmm.
Then why are you panting?
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
You're sure you're fine?
Yes.
Okay, we have a teacher in the class.
Okay.
Are you sure you're fine?
Don't I look fine?
You're sweating. But anyways, let's go to class.
What is it?
Kelly, wait, please, Kelly, hold on.
I thought you said there was a teacher in the class.
I forgot, they're having PTA meeting. But please, can we go back to the class?
No, you go back to the class.
I can't go back to the class.
Why?
It's noisy. And besides, I was trying to understand my physics when I heard noises and decided to come, but I saw you hiding. Are you sure everything is okay?
Yes. Everything is okay.
Okay, Kelly, what you did wasn't right at all. I just have to tell you.
What did I do?
I came to you for physics to help me out, and you decided to follow Melissa and Jessica to teach them maths. Am I that bad? Don't you like me at all?
Bianca, I don't think this is the right time to talk about likes or dislikes. I have a whole lot going on my mind. There is a lot going on. This was what happened. It is not as if I deliberately ignored you over Jessie and Melissa. I was studying mathematics and they came to me to assist them with some mathematical equations. So I just thought it wise that, okay, since I'm doing the same thing and they're asking for the same thing, it just makes it easier. And you know what? I don't really have much time for this talk. See you around.
Where your boyfriend there?
I leave him for there.
You leave him for there? Hey, if you say don't go in Mama's office now.
Let's go there, go find her.
Hello. Hey, come. Oh, thank God, you okay? What happened to you?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Hey, are you okay?
What happened?
Hey!
How did it happen? How did that book leave your body?
Book, they hang for air, they bomb. Me, I don't know. I don't know. That thing fear me where.
Hey, you know what they make me? I feel like I want wee now.
You want wee?
I want peace for my body. See, I told you. I don't talk and plenty times. Say plenty strange things they happen for this school. Things they occur on a daily basis for this school. What thing they happen? I think we need to go tell Mrs. Let's go and tell your mother.
No.
What's be no.
I don't think that is a good idea.
Why not?
Wait, please. I can handle this thing.
How? It was with you. I don't understand.
Wait.
Just wait now.
What happened?
Jessie, Melissa, please. You guys have to promise me that you won't tell anyone of what we witnessed there.
Why?
Because of the reputation of the school.
You're not a good person.
No.
Listen, I see.
Wait, let me tell you the reason. Wait, let me tell you the reason. The reason is because if you tell any other student or your friends or family, these students might tell their parents, and their parents might come to school and exempt them from this school, which is bad for the school.
Wait. So you let me finish. Me, Melissa. This math where you know my right you do the sharp. You look me. No, not tell me I don't want my voice. So you look me finish. You first say I don't go come on, go tell people what I see with this is my eye. Me. You dey lie.
See, let me tell you. If no be say they get something for my mind for you, say I like you where. You see that you and your mama, I for say me thunder from heaven. We no get mama, we no get papa. Make it fire you attack your mama. Yes, no, make I leave my 2 hands on your face. So if I say something they do you, no, you want me to die for this school. Now what say you want now? No. The school reputation. They more important. Just like it one. I beg.
Why are you not putting on your complete uniform?
Ma, please, the weather is hot and the sun is hot too.
Is that enough reason?
Sorry, ma.
Put on your uniform and dress properly. Son.
Mom?
Oh yeah, back to your class. What is it? What? What is it?
Mom, something very terrible and shocking happened today when I was studying with two of my classmates in front of the chemistry lab.
What happened?
Mommy, as we were studying, my textbook was on my classmate's body. At a point, we couldn't find the textbook. So we started looking for it. Mommy, before we knew it, we saw this textbook hanged in the air and burnt to ashes in our very before.
How is that possible?
Yes, it happened.
In your dream. Anyway, how about your classmates?
Mommy, they should be in the class dealing with their trauma because even myself, I am not fully recovered from the shock.
My dear, tell your classmates that I would like to see them later. Okay. As for the textbook, I will replace it. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
And again, I always tell you to be brave. You see, when a man is successful, such things do happen to them. Sometimes they see what is not really there. Overlook it. Don't worry yourself about it. Okay? Go back to your class.
Okay, Mom.
You can go.
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
Yeah.
Then tell me why you guys should be running into this classroom like demons being chased by the mate of the day.
That's enough. That's enough.
Okay. Point of correction. You don't call me Stanley. You call Stanley.
What? You guys need some men to clean up or what?
Stanley, I said that's enough. You shot too much.
I'm Stanley. What's up?
Stanley, that's okay. Talk too much like a girl.
What do you mean I talk too much like a girl? Say that shit again.
What do you mean by that? It's only girls that talk too much.
Who is she? Concerning what happened earlier, even though it's your hallucination.
Hallucination?
I'm sure, yes.
No, Mal. This one, I know they sleep. I say book for air, they born. Which one be? I know they sleep. No, this one not be hallucination.
Mrs. Which one? You don't even there they speak English. I don't understand. You say waiting. From my leg, from up to fly to the sky. What are you saying now?
Something you saw that was
bad.
Ha! Now what?
You said hey. Did you swoon? Okay, sorry. Ma,
I'm still talking. I wouldn't want you to tell anybody about it. Not even your parents.
Mrs.
Wait.
No, now. What are you saying now?
But I have to tell my mother. I have never seen this kind of thing before. If you don't get it before.
Mrs. You need to see what's in our eyes. See.
How good they born for air? Nobody like them.
Now my mama they go tell like this, so because I need to check whether spiritual something.
Yeah, but tell my mama. Oh no. But tell my mama. I never see this kind of one before.
If you tell your parents about it, that will spare both of you. Yes.
Okay. Yes, ma.
It will be your words against mine. So do not try my patience.
Yes, Mrs. Yes, ma'am.
Hey.
But wait, oh. Why the principal go tell us make we not tell anybody wetin happen for this school?
Hey! You know that woman, I dey suspect her. You see this witchy woman, I dey suspect her. Hey! How you go tell me, say, make I no talk wetin my eyes see? Wetin I dey this life they do now? I must talk wetin my eyes see, oh. This my mouth so they stay one place. I must talk am. How you go tell me, say, make I no tell my mama? Make I no tell my papa? Make I no tell anybody? Wetin happen? I no understand.
Wetin she dey try protect? That wetin me I dey try figure out because guy, you know see wetin happen. I shock. If I still remember the thing, I dey get goosebumps all over my body. You could tell me say make I no open this mouth where they use chop food. Make I no tell people wetin happen. Ha! Me I go buy this again. I go tell everybody. I don't understand. Because me I can't wait to finish this secondary school.
You see this our principal? There is more to this our principal.
I'm telling you.
You know say she don't say we get spiritual eye.
How you go see something wey happen? You know say wetin happen? You dey tell me say make I no tell my papa. What if they come tomorrow come kill me?
No, even when they go, what if tomorrow now you go come the born? Me I go come they look you go come disappear.
Ha! Holy Ghost fire.
Hey! Wonder shall never cease oh. I know say I no book oh, but at least I get feelings. I dey feel am.
Okay, good day class. Okay, now I'm about to start my teachings and I want everybody to listen to me attentively. I wouldn't want to repeat myself. Do I make myself clear? Okay, good. So, today's topic is going to be linear equation. What? Did anybody here know what is linear equation is?
I got no idea about that shit.
Oh, I had no idea about the shit. Now listen to me attentively. I will explain myself. Okay. So, the marker is very bad. I hope you can see it clearly. Linear equation.
I can see you to your right.
Okay, I can spell.
Okay, can spell.
Okay. So, let's proceed. So, anybody here that knows what linear equation is?
Equation with me.
What?
Equation with me. Come on, shut up.
Okay, listen. Linear equation is an equation that consists variables, and those variables are being multiplied by a constant without a product of variables.
I got it.
Okay, now
correct.
Systematically, we have different forms of linear equation. We have the standard, that is good for x. We have the standard, we have the conceptive, and thirdly, we have the solo.
Uncle, you are blocking my view.
Oh, sorry. We have the solo. So these are the three types. We have the standard, the concept, and we have the slope. So, hey, I'm talking to you, young lady.
Don't waste your time on them, please. You gotta explain the solo or you will be in sorrow.
Will you keep quiet?
Sorry about that.
I'm talking to you.
Me?
Melissa, that's your name, right?
So now maybe Melissa.
Jessica is your name, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. What was the last thing I said?
No idea.
You said, now you be Melissa. I can't say no. My friend can't say yes. You can't say you be Jessica, Abi. I say yes, sir. You be waiting me talk, you dey laugh me. Shut up! Why you dey laugh? You say Melissa, your name, I say no, sir. Now your name.
Now my name.
You say Jessica is your name, I say yes, sir.
Now keep
my
quiet
name.
and listen to me.
Now you say keep quiet. I don't keep up. Keep quiet.
Is anything wrong with you or something? Before I started this class, I said everybody should pay attention attentively. And I do not want to repeat myself. Listen, after this class, I want to consider my business. I'm here teaching, and your mind is somewhere else. Are you not here to learn?
What's not the same thing?
Shut up! You. What was the last thing I said?
Don't waste your time on her, please.
Teacher, excuse me. She's the Shaki. You said, no be they fight with me. No, you dey exchange words with my friends the last time.
Talk am as he be. See, he likes to dey lie, yo. You know they lie say truth.
But he ask you question.
He dey here, they laugh me. If you look where's them.
How did they
if
laugh
you
you?
look where's them.
But I know they laugh.
Shut up.
Don't be obsession, I have no idea. Both of you please stand.
Stop that! Hey, listen up.
Both of you stand.
You can't.
Both of you stand or you leave my class.
English class.
So I've been here teaching. And both of you are busy discussing. The most beautiful girl in this school. In fact, you're the gorgeous of them all, baby. You're the prettiest of all the ladies in this school. I don't wanna.
You just dey whine yourself now.
Baby, you know, sir, I don't feel whine you. Why you talk like that?
You know why no again? No, you just dey whine yourself. They say, hey, baby. Who is your baby? No, who be your baby now?
Lower your voice.
See, no, try touch me, oh. Don't touch me. No, try touch me, oh. See, day your day, you dey fuck up. See, small thing they make me the vex, oh. Small thing they make me the vex. I know they like how they behave. I don't like her. Not because you wear green up and down. They call add and white. You think say you be Nigeria. You don't be Nigeria, oh. See, respect yourself. I know they like how they behave, oh.
Okay, so this is the problem. So this is why you're making a beautiful girl like you angry.
Before uncle, now you they make me the vex. I carry water from out. You they make me the vex. I don't like her.
I'm sorry about that. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Tell me anything that you want me to do to make it up to you and I will do it. I can't be the reason why you're unhappy. In fact, my purpose of coming to this school is to make every girl happy and make sure they learn. And not to put them in this kind of situation. Okay? I'm sorry. Just tell me whatever the problem is and I will make an amend. I promise.
See, make I tell you. You see all these pickings where they this school. Everybody they fear me. Everybody they give me my way for this school. Now you come they make them now. They come they laugh at me. I know they like that kind of thing, no. I know they like calm. Come they ask me question. Why they ask me question now? Everybody knows I know no book. I know sabi book. Oh. Don't tell me shh. Which one is make I no talk? See God give me mouth make I talk. I go talk more. Don't tell me that kind of thing. So, even my mama no say I know no book. I be Tibori boy team pataka.
Can you just stop?
She just allow me make I just dey come school, make I waste my time, make I know they disturb her for house. Now when I dey come school, you see my bag, any book could dey am. Person when they go school, you know they get book. I no come school. I just dey here, just dey waste my time. See, if you want make this thing where we dey enjoy, for back, make we see they enjoy am. No try for your life. See, if you want ask question, pass me. Enter the next person. Ask question. No ask me question again.
And you're proud that you're not intelligent, so you want to scream for the whole world to know that you have nothing upstairs.
No bad thing. The way God created the way God creates me, we are two different people. I know no book, you know book. Day your day, me I day my day. I like her like that. I tell you say they complain.
Okay, it's fine.
Ha!
Guys, sorry, don't be angry. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. If that's just the only problem that you have with me, I promise from today henceforth, in fact, moving forward, I will never ask you any question again in the class. So have a deal.
That's what it's supposed to be. See, if you won't ask me question, just pass me. Look for person where they around me. Ask them the question. Don't ask me again, I beg.
Just that?
Yes.
It's a small thing, I'll do it for you. But you're going to do me this small favor.
Wait. I don't say that this thing you want.
Come on, after school.
You know now. Now money now. No be say you know now. Now money now.
Like money.
You go give me money. No be you know now.
Now wait now. Wait. I am sorry.
Don't tell me sorry.
I beg you since.
Don't be say don't they beg me.
Sorry now.
Which kind thing be this now?
Sorry.
See, Melissa, you dey fuck up. You dey fuck up. If anybody for this school go laugh at me say I make mistake, no be you now. After wetin happen to us today, I don't like that kind of thing.
No be say I laugh you. You know say me too. I dey traumatized. As I see that book wey they born for, and it never happened before. I say make I just make it be say I laugh. You understand? But you sef, the way you take answer the question, you make me just be like say you dey primary school.
No, you see they laugh now.
No, but why you dey serious like this? Calm down. Oh yeah, sorry. I be wan ask you first. You too get stress. Calm down. Oh yeah, sorry. I be wan ask you. Uncle Tolu, wetin he tell you? Because he say make you come meet am for class. Wetin happen? How far?
Nothing serious. Don't mind that one. Don't they tell me say make I just read my book or say make I read my book. Yes, I go fail exam.
Tell her the truth. She's your best friend.
See this idiot. Who call you for this thing?
Your best friend. Tell her the truth.
I go keep person picking. I go kill this girl today.
You know Papa na governor.
You dey mad?
She be you open na
stupid. I go kill you today, idiot. See this girl, oh.
I no dey oh.
See. When this, you see this small girl, make sure they avoid me for this school, oh. Avoid me for this school. This one I can say. I dey call for you. Don't worry, I dey call for you.
I don't want to see you worried anymore. This is your book.
Oh my God. I never thought I'll find this book again. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So can I leave now?
Yes?
Yes!
Mom! What is it? Mom! Why are you running? Who is after you? Mom! What is it?
Mom, I saw it.
You saw what?
I saw it, Mom. I saw it.
You saw what?
The bond textbook. The bond textbook. I saw it in my locker.
Kenechukwu, I'm the one that left it in your locker. Yes, I promised to get you a new one. Didn't I? Is that why you are running? Eh?
Yeah. Mommy, I was so scared. When I saw it, I was shivering. When I saw it, because I saw this textbook burn before my very eyes.
Kenechukwu. Eh? Why are you disturbing yourself unnecessarily? I told you I will get you a new one, and I did.
Yes.
It's all right. Go back to your class, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah? How? I don't remember buying any textbook. How manage? No.
Kelly. K.
Yes?
Kelly, are you okay? I've been observing you lately. Are you fine? What's wrong with you?
Nothing. I am fine. I hope you slept well last night.
Oh, yes, I did. Thanks for asking, though. Did you sleep well?
Yes.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay. You know, I like it when I make you scared. It's so fun.
Yes.
Are you sure you're fine?
Mm-hmm. I'm fine. Bianca, I have something to attend to quickly.
Okay.
See you later.
See, Bianca, wait now, eh? I beg you in the name of God. I really like you now. Accept me now.
Okay. You see me finish. Like you looked at me. I am like your younger sister. Eh? And you want to date me? You want me to be your girlfriend?
Leave that one now, eh? I really like you, eh? Just, please, just accept. Find a way to accept it because I really like you.
You know
I'm
what?
serious.
You need to stop following me. Okay?
See, I will follow you anywhere. I will follow you.
The stubborn flies follows the corpse to the grave. I won't warn you again. Stay away from me.
This one, you are even raising your voice. You want to fight me?
In the shadows,
I respect myself.
we think we're alone, but our actions, they have a way back home. Every secret, every hidden deed will find its way to your doorstep.
What is happening? Why are you here standing crying? What is it? Did anybody find out about us or something?
No, nobody found out about it.
So why are you here all by yourself crying? Or were you punished by a senior student or any teacher?
No. I'm pregnant.
Wait, I didn't hear you clearly. What did you say?
I missed my period, so I went for a pregnancy test and it came out positive. I'm pregnant.
You mean to say that you have my blood growing in your stomach?
Yes.
But why would you make such a mistake, baby? Each time we were done doing that, I used to give you some money so you can take care of yourself. I can't believe that you could let yourself take in. That's why I give you money so you can take care of yourself. I thought you were that matured enough to handle it. So what do you want us to do now? Eh?
How am I supposed to know what we do?
I hope you didn't tell anybody about this.
No, you asked me not to tell anybody.
Yes, I told you not to. Okay, just... I'm sorry, okay? Just calm down. Nothing is going to go wrong, okay? I'm going to give you money to abort it.
No, I can't do an abortion now. I can't have an abortion. It's risky.
Listen, I'm begging you. At this point, we need each other. And I'm going to tell you that nothing is going to happen to you. I'm giving you all the assurance that nothing is going to happen to you. Listen, baby, listen. Listen to me. You're going to do an abortion, okay? You're going to abort it. Because if you don't, it's going to put us in trouble. I'm just a copper here. And the last thing that I want for myself is to get an extension from the NYSC. I don't want that to happen. Okay? And also for you, you've been expelled from the school. Is that what you want? Good. So we're going to take it off, okay?
My parents will kill me if they find out.
I need you and are going to tell them. Just calm down. I said nothing is going to happen to you. Okay? Now here is not comfortable for you to just go into the class.
I'm not gonna hurt you. Hold on.
Wait.
Just wait. Just hold on. Hold on.
Stop now.
Hold on now. Oh my God. What is going on here? Oh my God.
So it's true?
No, I can explain. It's not what you think. Just
It's
forget
not
what you
what I think. Copper confidence.
Ma.
And you?
Mommy, please calm down. It's not what it actually looks like.
I should calm down. A teacher is molesting you and you are telling me to calm down?
Ma.
Huh?
Ma, he's really right. Oh. See, I was just trying to teach him biology. Not him. And his dress was rumpled. I was trying to, what you see is rumpled. I was trying to fix it for him. There's no what
you will explain better. And you,
Ma?
Back to your class.
I was trying to.
Start going
his clothes.
back to your class.
You know, the clothes was rumpled, you know. Eh?
Copper confidence.
Ma.
See me in my office.
Okay.
Rubbish.
Right away.
Mommy, please. What you saw is different from what you think. Because we weren't doing anything. Yes, she is a woman. She confessed to me what she feels for me. But I did not buy in. So what you saw is different. I don't know what she's talking about.
You want to tell me what you think? Hmm? You are telling me that what I saw is different from what? And you, I welcome you into my school with my whole heart because I really want to help you. And you want to spoil my students, including my son?
Please, ma'am, I am really sorry. It was not intentional. I didn't mean it, and I promise it will not happen again. But, ma'am, you said, look at your son. He's very attractive. Look at his ears. Look at his lip. Look at his nose. Look at his eyes. Burning in fire. Hi. That's why devil pushed me. Oh, I tried to resist. He refused. Please, ma. I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
Confidence.
Ma.
Copper confidence. That's your name, right? Yes, ma'am. You are standing before me, telling me that my son looks what? Attractive.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you stupid?
No, ma. But it's the truth. Very attractive.
Get out. Get out!
Sorry.
And you, be very careful. What did I say? Be very careful. I don't want to see her around you again. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Back to your class. Rubbish. Want to spoil my only child. Your son is so attractive. Just imagine. Guess of nowadays.
Why did you do that to me? Have I offended you? Have I said anything bad to you or insult you since I came to this school?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Hmm? Look at the way you confronted me in such an act. I caught you. You were sleeping with a student. Is that not shameful? Look at the way you were holding him.
What is shameful about that? Am I not a woman? Can't I be in love with whomever I want to? And can't I do anything with anybody I want to? Like, how is that your business?
Hmm?
Wait, I saw you coming with the principal. Have you been monitoring me? Have you?
Did you hear what she said? Did you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
As old as you are. Hmm? Sleeping with a student. Someone someone you teach. Someone that is young enough to be your younger brother. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I won't stand and watch you corrupt other students. And I promise you, whatever you're doing, I'll make sure I'll be the one to expose you.
Let's see.
So you don't tell me what is up the other day now.
I don't understand. Come back
here.
So you no go bend down, greet us, they mad.
Make I know here say these seniors they smoke.
Come here. This skate, if they wait for this school, they mad. Look at these children, no. No, because they will they wear short skirt, they won't wear short skirt for this school. Melissa, they see what's in the sub. See me, Melissa, why these children will they wear short skirt? Because they will they wear short skirt.
Not be our fault. That's why everybody they wear short skirt for school. I believe them. So
they talk something.
Yes, they tell me say, Tolu say me you come meet see and make una talk.
Oh, that one. My G, nothing come out. Yes, nothing come out. Don't mind that. You know all these coppers where they show themselves for this school, like say they know book passers. All of us now age mates, oh. Not because say we just they repeat class. It's not our fault. Say we be tiboribo. I understand. But you see them, I know they like them. Make them just come off from my face. Don't mind now, we just tell me say, make I try to read my book, make I become good student, make I, if not, say go fail me. You'll fail me again. I just look at it, they talk that fail. I don't blame you. Now because say you wear green and green, come add and white. You think say your papa na Nigeria.
Na Nigerian flag. But this girl, Bianca, what did she come to talk? I don't understand. Because she said something, you and Tolu dey, I don't understand. What did she, that day, me and you there now, she talk am. What do you, I don't understand. What's happened? You need to give me details.
My G, sometimes you go to cap wetin I don't understand. No, wait, now that's well, that's witchy. Some more rats in who you they listen to. I don't understand you. So you dey pay attention to that girl. You see that girl, they suspect her for everything where they happen for this school. You see all this strange thing where they happen, they suspect that girl.
I'm telling you. Anytime I come around that girl, I dey get cold body. There's something about that girl.
Melissa, you know, say me, I know the cap nonsense.
Madam, what were you doing inside Tolu's office?
Are you okay? Are you normal?
Waiting carry you go Tolu office. You heard me clearly, right? I said, waiting carry you go my boyfriend office. Start talking.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Listen, and they keep quiet, no me say, I'm not going to carry this to your head. Knock out for wall. The last time I did with Tolu, I tolerate you. You just open your mouth, talk anyhow. I just look you, that one pass. If you try and now, what's not going to do you? You don't go like her. What's the guy you got there?
Are you not foolish? The copper told you that you're talking about will finish serving this school for 1 year and goes back to his hometown. And you're proud enough to call him your boyfriend.
He's my boyfriend.
Well, your copper, Tolu, doesn't sleep with you alone. He sleeps with every other female student in this school.
That means he's sleeping with you.
Never. He can't try it.
Never.
Including your closest friend.
My friend? I don't understand. What do you mean by my friend? Who?
Who else? Do you have any other closest friends except Jessie? So, this should be the very last time you use that your filthy hands to touch me. Because if you try this thing you just did, I will pluck your teeth.
Come back here! You don't mad? Come here. You say you go pluck my teeth.
Come on, leave me!
Come first.
Melissa,
Wait.
why you they exchange words?
Wait first. Wetin this girl dey talk na true?
I don't understand. Wetin you mean? I don't understand. Wetin you dey? Wetin she dey talk?
Wait. Jesse.
Eh?
Jesse. Jesse, I call you 3 times. No provoke me. If I ask you this question, just answer me. She tell me say you dey sleep with my boyfriend Tolu. Na true?
Wait, now wetin this one tell you?
Na true.
Wetin you talk?
Leave her, make she talk her mind. Leave her, make she talk her mind. Talk. You say wetin happen?
If I start,
Don't lying.
Why are you lying?
Who's
lying?
She's not married to Kopatolu. So be free to tell her the truth.
He be like say,
yes, stand there. Stand there. You want to take am?
See, Anime, we will.
Not try me, oh. Not try me. Not try me.
So now me now, this small pikin now, come they talk to you. You don't even reason am. You won't believe what she dey talk.
Jesse, how many times I call you? How many times I call you? Start talking. What did she talk now? True, I will be true.
If you don't want to talk, I will prove it to you.
Hey!
I will tell you how you and Tolu started dating. Remember that time that Kopatolu was teaching us a question?
Yes.
Remember that time he asked you both questions?
Mm-hmm.
Now why you dey listen to this girl now? Eh?
Allow her.
You dey fuck up, oh.
Allow her. Continue.
And you both failed the question.
I remember. Mm-hmm.
That was the day Tolu called her to his office.
Wetin she dey talk? Now I don't understand. Wetin you dey talk?
Jesse, you dey try me, oh.
Hey, Melissa, I dey vex. So wetin she? Why you listen to
He
this
called
girl?
you beautiful angel. Am I still?
Let me be the line. That line, beautiful angel. Oh yeah, continue. What did again happen?
Am I still lying?
I mean, continue. Wetin then they continue? No, wetin then they
see. Jesse, come back here. I don't blame you. Now, so you dey do abi? Okay. Now you don't enter. We go see as e go be.
Omarichan, wait now. Wait now.
Abeg leave me. Wetin happen?
My beautiful angel now. Asam Pete. Baby, calm down now.
My beautiful angel. How many angels you get for this school? No. How many angels where me and you know say you dey call angel? How many dem dey?
Baby, you know say na only you I get now. Anyways, I heard that you had a fight with Jessica because of me. I mean, that wasn't necessary. If the proprietor was in school, this would have been a totally different case and you know it.
Abeg, come out for my front. Come out for my front. Go there with Jessica and co, where you dey do loving dovey with. Leave me, oh. I no want.
Baby.
Abeg, leave me, no dey touch me.
I swear, I have nothing doing with Jessica. You're all I have.
No touch me, oh. Talk what you want talk, no touch me. I dey hear you. No touch me.
I have nothing doing with Jessica. You're all I've got, baby, and you know that.
You're all I've got, but you know that. You promised me say you love me.
Yeah, but I love you.
Abeg go. You tell me say I be the only girl wey dey your life.
Yes.
Save me from this mouth where you dey use chop yam and egg. You tell me say if I finish secondary school, you go help me make I enter university. Wetin happen to all those promises wey you promised me?
Listen, babe. I need you to calm down. I will explain.
Abeg, come out here. As you no want talk, get out.
So you're the one that lied to Jesse that I was sleeping with Melissa and some other student. Why would you do that?
You call that lies? I don't lie. I tell facts. Or is it because I haven't reported to the school authority what you do with the female students?
Really? And what proof do you have? You think I will fold my hands and watch you say nonsense to them? Listen, if you had done that, I would have practically denied you.
I have the list of girls you slept with and where you did it. You impregnated Promise. You gave her money to abort it. In the process, she died. You impregnated Bimpe. You gave her money to abort it, but she's yet to. You slept with Chisom yesterday at the Copper's Lodge and gave her 5K for transport.
What's the meaning of all this? Huh? And how did you get to know all this you're saying?
If you know what is good for you, if you want your NYSC certificate, stop all this you're doing.
Did she just say that to me? And she even walked out on me. Really? This girl.
What can I do for you?
Emma, I was sweeping your balcony this morning and I found this.
Oh, my holy oil I got from my pastor. I've been looking for it. Thank you so much.
No problem, Mom.
You may go to back to your classes.
Thank you, Mom.
The mission, strange things are happening. Who is she? Who is she?
When did you come here? And how did you know that I was here?
This is your usual spot to read whenever we have free class.
So that was how you knew I was here?
Yes.
Okay. So, how may I be of help?
I just want to ask you something.
Okay. What is it?
Did your mother explain to you why your textbook got burnt in front of you, Melissa, and Chelsea?
What?
Did your mother explain to you the reason your textbook got burnt?
How did you know about this? Did Jesse and Melissa tell you about this?
Never. You pleaded with them not to tell anyone about it, and they promised. Besides, I'm the last person they will tell anything to. Obviously, they hate me for no reason. I saw why you were hiding the other day.
But you mentioned that you saw me running, not saw me hiding.
I saw everything. I saw what happened. Your textbook was hanged on the air, and it was burning to ashes.
Who are you?
If you are not ready to tell me who you are, then I will leave.
Who is she? Who is she?
Wait. I'll tell you everything. Sit.
I am listening.
My name is Aria.
Wait. I know you go by the name Bianca. How come you now reintroduce yourself to me as Aria?
That's a long story for another day. I died 11 years ago at the age of 16.
What? You died?
Yes.
Are you trying to say you're a ghost?
Yes.
Listen, I do not have time for jokes nor pranks. I have a lot on my mind. I don't have time for scary folktales and folklore.
I have been the one responsible for all the mysterious things happening in this school.
What are you saying? You get...
If you claim to be a ghost, how then are you in a human form? Share the same space? Do things like other human beings like myself do? How do you intend to convince me?
I'll tell you why I'm in human form and share space with you.
Exhume my body! 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 Exhume my body for peace to reign! Exhume my body!
No, please, don't! Don't come close to me. No, please, don't come close anymore. Please stay there and talk to me. Don't come close anymore, please. Please.
I don't have the power to hurt innocent people. I only scare people that offends me. Today Melissa and Jesse ran back to the class. I was the one chasing them.
That was the same day you stole my book, right?
I didn't steal your book. Melissa and Jesse put your book inside my bag to set me up.
Since you are a ghost and possess some powers, why did you not stop them?
Every spirit operates based on how they lived their life when they were humans. I have no power to stop them, but I have the right to punish them for committing crimes against me. I shouldn't have given you your textbook, but because of the friendship we have, and I didn't want to see you sad, I had to give it back.
What you just said is a big fat lie, because my mother bought me my textbook and not you returning it.
I see. You had important things written on the textbook, right?
Yes.
So when you get home, check the textbook. If your mother got you a new textbook, those things that was written on it before wouldn't be there now. I believed you haven't opened it yet.
This is surprisingly unbelievable. You live here on this school premises?
Yes.
How is that possible?
I was buried in this school.
This is surprisingly unbelievable. Are you saying you don't have a home or a family?
No, I don't. The school is my home. I live here.
But I watch you leave school on a daily basis. Where do you go to?
I have an isolated place. I disappear and come back to school. Exhume my body. Exhume my body! Exhume my body from pieces to red!
Jesus! Jesus! No! Please don't come any closer. What is going on? How is this possible?
When I leave school, I disappear and come back to my grave.
Was the mission?
Are you saying you were buried on the school premises?
Yes. And your mother knows about it too. She knows that there is a spirit living in this school. But she doesn't know that I am in a human form. I go to her office often to visit her. But she has this anti-spirit water that chases me away.
My own mother?
Yes. I will show you those times I visit her.
This is nice report. Very nice report. Go back to your grave. Go back. Go back to your grave. Now!
Was the mission? Strange things are happening. Who is she?
This is making more sense now.
I made a visit. I always wanted to hurt her. But I can't. I don't have the powers to.
If my mother is aware of all of this, then why is she covering you up? Why is she not looking for a way to just terminate your existence and your activities on the school premises?
Like I said before, she doesn't know that I am in a human form. And as for the reason she doesn't want to end my existence, is because if she does, this school will fold.
Why? Make me understand. I don't understand.
I'll tell you. 11 years ago, I killed 2 of my schoolmates. I was so scared that I had to run. But on my way, I got kidnapped.
Please don't kill me. Please. No. Was the mission? Strange things are happening. Who is she?
Your spirit will attract more students to my school. My school will be number 1. Everyone must love my school. Any parents that have not registered his child to my school will be restless.
my school shall reign. And so shall it be. Jaguar, go get shovel and bury her.
Darkness is the flight.
Are you saying my mother killed you?
Yes, she did. She used me for ritual to make her school grow.
The mission. Strange things are.
She has fooled me. I have been lied to. All along I thought the growth of the school was because of her hard work. I never knew about all of this.
I need you to do me a favor.
Okay.
Ever since this school existed, I have been a student. My soul hasn't rested yet.
But the school is 11 years old. How is it possible that you've been a student all along in this school?
When I graduate, I turn into a new face and start all over again.
How long will you continue doing this?
Until my body is exhumed and taken home for a proper burial. Mind you, this school will fold when I rest. Break it over. You can go. We'll continue later.
Okay.
I'll meet you in class.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Mama, Mama, Mama! Ah! Ah! Mama, Mama, Mama!
Uncle Tolu. Uncle Tolu now.
Melissa, what is it?
Follow me talk now.
What is it? What do you want?
Now you just call me Melissa now. Not be beautiful angel they call me before. Why can't they call me Melissa?
Does it really matter? Listen, I told you before that we need to put an end to all those things. It's not safe for me. All eyes on me. Everybody is looking out. And I do not want to get an extension from the NYSC, please. I want no trouble.
What's it? Hey! What are you people doing there? Go home, school has dismissed now. This way they talk now, it don't make sense to me. Oh. No, you now. For your mind now, how you think say, I go forget you? It's not possible now. Haba. You check them. You know what you don't do me? If I dey sleep now, they think about the things where they take raise my leg. You go now tell me. I dey smile. No, think am now. It don't make sense. You know what you do? You know where you don't carry me reach. You know if you leave me for road like that too. Ha.
Melissa, listen. I do not want anybody to come here and see you in this state, okay? I want you to do anything within your best to forget about me. Stop thinking about me, okay? Move on. This is not cool. The environment is not convenient for us for all this. I don't want to have issues.
I beg, I no go fit to you go think this thing 2 times. You go think this thing 2 times. So how you want make I leave you? I no go fit to think am 2 times. I don't know what you want make I do.
Melissa, listen, you just have to move on, okay? You just have to move on.
In the shadows, we think we're alone, but our actions, they have a way back home. Every secret, every hidden deed.
What is it now? Stop following me. What do you want from me? What is it? Can't you just breathe a little, please? You were choking me, please.
I need your help.
What help?
I need my soul to rest in peace. And it's only you that can achieve it. That's why I opened up to you. Because I love you as a brother.
Bianca, please. Don't love me as an elder brother. I beg you. I don't need your love. I don't want any love coming from you as a ghost. Please.
Will you help?
Are you saying that I should get the police involved, get my mother arrested, and watch this school burn down in flames? Just like that? Is that what you're saying?
I do not seek justice on your mom. My death was a justice for killing 2 innocent people. If I hadn't run that day and wait till school dismissal, your mother won't see me to use for ritual. All I seek for is for my soul to rest in peace, so that I can stop moving around, both physical and spiritual.
Bianca, how do I do all of this without involving the police and your family?
Then handle it the way you would handle it. If I were your sister, you won't see this face again. Though I will still be in this school, but I will change into a new face until what I've told you is done.
I'll see what I can do.
If you decide to help me, my name is Aria Okoro. I'm from Ambombinse. I'm the last child of Mr. and Mrs. Joseph Okoro. I have an elder brother. His name is Chinenye Okoro. Go to him. He will help you.
Melissa, wait now. Eh? Meme, wait now. Why you behave like this?
What's happened?
See, Melissa, I know say you dey vex. See, no vex. But you know me very well now. You know me too well. No be my fault. No be my fault. You know say that Uncle Tolu now. You know say we don't repeat class well. Because say we been team pataka we tibali but we don't sabi anything. No, now my friend, you know say we know book. I am akoko. We know sabi am but that one day. Now that's Uncle Tolu. Now you can tell me say I go give him my chopping sen. Say if I give him, he go pass me. Say if I no give him, say na so I go repeat this class till like wala javo. I couldn't say
I beg, wait first. Now say you. I should be you be my friend.
I be your friend.
You be my friend.
Your sister.
And you know say me and Tolu, I know they use Tolu play. You don't know. You know. You come from back. Can't go meet them. Make it pass you. You know say you don't get sense. Now me for meet. Tell me say how see how this thing be oh. See what Tolu tell me oh. Me how you go do am? You be my friend. Make corona. You call me tell me say see what Tolu they tell me oh. Tolu they worry me say if I don't do this thing say go. Now me self dey in the right position to tell and say you self you no go write exam. Make him pass you. You go pass you. But no, you from back.
I no come from back now.
No wahala. You see me like this. I no fit follow person for this life drag man. You no reach me and you anywhere to the drag man.
Drag you kwa? Why you dey say
I just leave am for you now. Why I tell you say I don't forgive you. I don't forgive you. I tell you I don't forgive you. Now Tolu I dey vex for. That one no get sense. You see, for this whole school like this, every girl gets story to talk about Tolu. He almost slept with all the girls for this school. You don't know? You don't know? You see? Now why I say I no go too vex for you. Now that he goes where in leg, no be dey one place. I forgive you.
Wow. Are you say? You see that Mr. Tolu, he no go better for him. He no go better for him because this thing when you do, not be saying now wetin I won't do. I no go feel break the girl's code like that now. But I beg, make you no vex, Make you just free him. See, he never start to the run, no. He never even see anything. He never even see anything.
Just relocate to go another city. But guess what? For there where you go, you dey go work, you get accidents, you can't die. For city where you relocate to, shut up.
What thing you talk? Now when you hear that kind of gist from?
I don't tell you say me and I'm the wrong things. I dey date am. And I get contact of his siblings. I call him for days. You know pick. Now one of his brother now can't call me, can't tell me say he got accidents. And he no survive.
You see
now so God they do things. Make just the work out people like that.
When you think say you want wicked people, God go use another way, comot you for way. You never see anything.
You don't mind now.
I say you never see anything. What did he do me? He chopped my kobrabe. You never see anything.
Chop you well.
No, I beg my sister, no vex. Yeah, Shebi we don't settle.
I forgive you.
I beg forgive me. I know say you be my G.
Now you go buy me lunch.
I will buy you lunch. Maybe we even find one student who will buy us something now with their money.
Dave. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh shit. Tolu has told all the girls here, my nigga. Tolu has told my promsy. Monday Tolu atamwa. Tuesday Tolu atamwa. Friday Tolu atamwa. Oh my God, yeah. Well, it's chill. Niggas don't cry, nigga. Niggas don't cry. We pop up, yeah. That's my real nigga. We pop champagne when it's bad. We drink Hennessy when it's bad. Niggas don't cry. Niggas don't cry. But so, this breed girl, it's a ghost school, nigga. The school is a ghost.
Who is she? Who is she?
Hello. Yes. Please, have you seen Bianca? No, I have. Okay. Thank you. I'll check the other class. Hello. Have you seen Bianca anywhere? Hello.
Hi, baby. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning, ladies.
What's up?
Fine. I hope you guys had a good night rest.
No. I did not have a good night. You know, they there. Imagine say you there to just hold me, do me, people. Everywhere for still now. My nights for gang. I just did.
For me, my own was so cold, but I used blanket to cover myself. Are you okay?
Yes. Sorry about that. Did you guys by any chance see Bianca anywhere? Like outside the gate, anywhere within the school premises?
Bianca?
Yes.
Now she be the principal for this school now. Now she be the first person where they open gates. If you enter this school, you know see Bianca first. Now you be say something day wrong. You understand? But what's happen? You don't check them everywhere, you know see her?
Yes, I have checked everywhere so far.
Now why you dey look for Bianca? No, make I ask you, now why you dey find her? She don't see your note again. No, tell me, make I go bring that girl, make I break her now. Where she dey?
Calm down.
Where she dey?
Yes, something like that. I am looking for my notebook.
My baby. Wait, Melissa. Melissa, you see him face. Something tell me say, everything no dey alright.
You be like person where they fear.
Hey, see, make you no be like saying I love her. You don't dey love that girl because I no go gree. I no gree. Yes, I no gree. Make I go find that Bianca.
Come Come back.
Make I go find her.
Where you want find? We'll go drop our bag. You know so we'll not go assembly. We'll go drop our bag before they go catch us. I better come who they go. Ah.
You waiting you dey do for here. Hold your class. Hold your class. Move follow like this. Move follow like this before they go catch us. Stupid thing. I say go, they go your class.
Hello class. Hello. We have a new student and her name is... Can you introduce yourself?
Jumbo.
So please, you guys should make her comfortable and guide her through the scheme of work.
Observation. Observation.
Stand over, observe us.
Thank you. Observation. Observation.
Mirabel, stand over, observe us.
Bianca. Bianca.
Sorry. I'm not Bianca. My name is Mirabel Jumbo.
Sorry, it was a mistaken identity. I thought you were someone I knew.
Who is she? What's the mission? Strange things I...
This was where I was buried.
What?
Yes. Why are you running? This is not the time to run. This is the time to end all this drama.
Are you saying if I bring the police here and we dig up this place, we would find the remains of you?
Yes. Thank you.
Good day, Mom.
Son, how are you? Where is it? That's your uniform. Come closer, come closer. Man, not going to say example. What's your shirt? Put it well.
Okay. Mommy, all is not well.
What is it?
Mom, I am not comfortable with the mysterious occurrences within the school premises. The other day, a book hung in the air in my very before and got burned to ashes. And I also learned that some of my classmates were chased by a ghost, and the ghost also flogged them. And this is becoming too scary, Mommy.
Students, we are flogged?
Yes.
How is that even possible? Did you see the spirit with your eyes?
Mommy, the other day when I came to school, I met the spirit. I saw the spirit.
You saw it with your eyes?
Mommy, are you aware of any spirits moving around the school premises?
My son, I am not aware of anything. I'm not. You're just telling me.
Mommy, are you sure?
How do you mean if I'm sure? I just told you that I'm not aware of anything. You're asking me if I'm sure.
Okay. I'll go back to class.
Hold on then. You see this school? And everything in it. It's all for you. Yes. It's all for you. All my hard work to grow this school to what it is today. It is for you to handle it in the future. So please, do not lose guard. Don't get distracted.
Yes.
Put yourself together and stop listening to rumors.
Okay.
Guy, this is the first time Bianca is missing classes at JSS1.
Yes. It's a little bit strange. But I just hope she's okay wherever she is.
I hope so too.
Bro.
Yeah?
I need your advice on a friend of mine needs my advice on something. He said that his father killed their house help. But the man lied about it. The issue now is the spirit of the innocent house help has been appearing to him, asking him to do something about it.
And what exactly does the spirit want him to do for her?
She said ever since she died, she has had no rest. Her soul has known no peace. And for she to find peace and rest in peace, her body must be exhumed for a proper burial.
Assumed? But me and you know that boy cannot do that without his family or the girl's family being involved.
Yes, this will mean involving the police, involving the boy's father, and the girl's family, of which the girl's family will demand for an explanation for what happened to the girl.
See, I think the challenge this boy is having is whether to save his father by not doing what the girl, as in the spirit of the girl, demands, or to do what the spirit demands and watch his father go to jail. I think that's the challenge he's having.
Exactly.
See, the thing is that this girl in question is someone's daughter, you understand?
Yes.
And the girl should put his own sisters in the girl's shoe and know how it feels. You understand? If I were him, I would just report my father to the police, and if he cannot defend himself, he will just face the wrath of the law.
Yes. Exactly what I intend to tell him to do.
But what exactly did the girl do that made his father kill her?
She said the man killed her for ritual purposes.
Ritual?
Yes.
Then you should report to the police already now. If not, it will be the next sacrifice. So.
Yes. You are correct. I will tell him.
Better tell him, no time, there is no time.
Every decision, oh, and every choice will take its fall.
Hey, come to think of it, okay. What's your problem? What's really wrong with you?
You don't seem to understand that those girls are evil.
Come on, guys, just overreacted. See, the way you are getting close to this Bianca of a girl. The way you're getting close to this Bianca of a girl is becoming too much, and people are talking about it. You know, she's a minor. You want to go to jail. But because the way it's happening, I feel are you in love with her?
What are you talking about? You should know me too well that I will have nothing to do with a minor. And I am far bigger than that. My moral standards are bigger than that. I mean, what are you even talking about? Don't you understand that I have a whole lot on my mind? What are you even saying?
Guy, it's clear now. It's clear for everybody to see now. It's like you're falling in love with this girl. She's too small, oh. You don't go jail, guy. You'll go jail.
What are you even talking about? If only you know what is in my mind, you won't be here saying all this nonsense. Excuse me.
Come on, guy. This thing is clear now. See, you'll go jail, oh.
Innocent space, and darkness takes the flight. Who is she? Who is she?
You said I failed this particular question in the last test.
Yes, but I will still ask you the question. Let's try if you still remember.
Wait, let me catch my breath. Hold on,
really?
wait. Okay. Go on.
Okay. What are the types of common crimes?
Types of common crimes.
The one you used to do before. What is that? What is that?
Okay. How many do you intend I mention?
Mention like 5.
Okay, 5.
5.
Okay.
Okay, should I give you hints? In class, you know you normally do.
What are you talking about?
I'm sorry. Continue.
Who is she? Who is she?
Man, I don't understand. Everything we person they see for horror movie, now it just they happen for this school. Eh? I just they form America to just run go back village. My uncle where they train me now. How I want to do this kind of thing? Just come on for this. I don't understand again. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Please don't do this to me, please. Please. Because please, I beg you. I'm sorry.
Stanley.
I know I'm scared right now, but I'm gonna try and maintain my steez, okay? Just call me Stanzi baby, okay? Stanzi baby.
Stanley.
Yeah.
I know you heard our conversation.
Please, I heard nothing. Listen, sometime I'm a deaf guy. I got so deaf I can't even hear anything. Please, I'm deaf. Can you hear that? I heard nothing, please. Wait for no.
And you recorded Kelly and I. The way you record Tolu and his girls at the school.
Okay, all right, okay. I'm gonna man up to my responsibilities right now, okay? I'm giving you an open apologies. I know I have offended you once, no, twice, no, 3 times, many times, I don't know. But please, right now, I'm begging you with everything you believe in. Forgive me. I'm not gonna do that again. Please.
You know the truth already, so you have to help.
I can't.
Stand. You go to the police. Get the police to start the exhumption. I will show you the place. I know Kelly will be afraid to help because it involves his mother. I have been in this school for 11 years. My soul hasn't rested. So please, I need your help.
I'm lost. I don't understand anything right now. What? You've been in this school for 11 years? How? And you're still like this? Small and... Are you a dwarf or something? Okay, I'm sorry. I know you got some powers with you, I know. I'm sorry. Okay, mind what you say, bro. Okay. I've accepted. I'm gonna help you, okay? I'm gonna be a man right now. I'm gonna help you, okay? But please don't even try to come back to say thanks. Don't, please. Thank you very much. Oh yes, I've accepted everything. Please, don't even come back, okay? Okay, this is gonna be the last, and I'm done, and you are done. Everybody's done, please. I just wanna.
I will guide you to the police.
God damn.
Thank you very much.
God. I don't even know why you choose me. I don't even know. I just okay. Which police station? Which division? I'm in a big shit. I'm in a real shit. Oh God, how did I even get myself into this mess? I'm just making videos and people are just believing. I need to go back to my village after this shit.
Eh? All you know how to do is make noise. Remove your bags. Well, I'm taking you on. My friend, lie down and remove your bags. Remove your bag. Remove it.
What is going on here?
Ma, these students are just noisemakers. They were just making noise and doing side talks.
Really?
Yes. Since when did that start in this school? Eh? Since when did that start in this school? You can see what she's wearing. Very short. Very short. Hey, I don't want to see you with this short skirt again. Can you imagine? Did you get me? Okay, nonsense. Imagine. Hey, and you too. Where are you coming from?
I want to get something.
Come run to your class. Nonsense. You have committed again. Stanley, you have committed again. Officers, you don't need to bring him to the school. No, take him to jail. I will call the parents to meet you people there. Take him to jail. Take him away.
Sorry, ma. We are not here for him. We are here for you. You are under arrest for the murder of one area. You can show us where you buried her. Let's move.
Oh, get it there. What is that? What is that? What is this? I want to see. What's up? This is your under arrest. This is something. What did you do?
Now why you say that to let our mama? This woman is an evil woman, no?
You don't forget.
I don't talk about.
You tell us to close our mouth because then you be murderer. We don't finish you today. We don't finish you.
We think we're alone, but our actions, they have a way back home. Every secret, every hidden deed will find its way to your doorstep. Indeed. We think there's no one watching, but eyes are on us all. Every decision, oh, and every choice will take its fall, good or evil. And when we reap what we've sown, we'll face the line. Every decision, oh, and every choice will take its fall, good or evil. And when we reap what we've sown, we'll face the line. Oh, we'll face the line. What goes around comes around. We'll face the line. Justice will be found in this world around. Oh, don't think you can hide. Don't think you can hide.
Remember on what I run away my eyes. Well, we remember area what I run away my eyes. What I run away my eyes. Well, we remember all.
What's the mission? Strange things are happening. Who is she? Who is she? and darkness takes the flight. Who is she? Who is she? See